How to clear Google Drive storage in phone. So if you're wondering how to clear Google Drive storage in phone, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Google Drive, and you'll see all the different files that you have. So to remove it, to clear up your space, you can just press the three dots next to the file name. So I'm going to press on this one. If you scroll down, you'll see it says remove, and then you see it says move to bin. So press on move to bin. So make sure that you press this 3-bar right here, go to bin, make sure that you do delete it from your bin as well. So when you do that, only then will it actually be cleared up. Now to see which is taking up the most storage, go ahead and click on storage. And you can see right now that mine is Google Photos. Yours can be, whatever it is. And instead of doing this manually, instead of deleting the file one by one, you can just clean it up in a really quick way. So go ahead and press clean up space. So you can see that there are different categories. You can see deleted emails that I have moved to the bin but I haven't permanently deleted, and spam emails, different deleted files. So if I press here, I can just review this, and then if I want to delete all of it, I can press permanently delete. So press I understand right here and then press permanently delete, and you can delete it all at once in that way. So you can go through this to do it in a really easy manner, and it shows you what the large items are, different other items, and you can just do this and clear your storage up in a really quick manner. So that is how you clear Google Drive storage in your phone. Also, be sure to check out our website createlogindelete.com, which is linked in the description below for various helpful guides, tips, and tricks for your favorite social media apps and software.